Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, November 14th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on ZND to Tether at Zondacrypto. ZND token is looking very bullish, and the particular chart that we are looking at is a daily time frame chart. So every candle here is a daily candle. We don't have much history before October 24th because that was the token generation event, so there is not much data here because it doesn't actually exist. However, main purpose of our analysis is to take a look at some certain levels. The first thing is that we should clearly define this level as a major technical support 0.232023. So let's just take a look at this level and label it here. So we place the technical support. Okay, so that's the first thing, and the other thing is as we can see the market is going up. Where is the high? The high is likely at the level of let me just take my magnet. There you go, 0.30. All right, so that's the temporary technical resistance, and there is one more level that we are deeply interested in is the 0.39, and that's of course the token generation event daily high. All right, so now this candle here looks like it is a pin bar, because we have a long upper shadow, small body, and the candle is green. Body candle is green. It can be red. It doesn't actually matter that much, red or green. However, what matters mostly is that wick to the upside, that upper shadow. Now, if we the next candle is the inside candle, yeah, inside bar, inside candle, whatever, and this is the inside candle of the inside candle, right? So that's the yesterday's candle. Now the situation is kind of a tricky. Why? Because if there is a certain amount of the bears that were selling this levels here, especially 0.30, right? So they push the price lower. Now, 2 days ago we go higher. Yesterday we go higher, almost touching the 0.30 level. Today maybe we will go again higher and touch 0.30 level and even break above this level, and that would be very substantial breakout if it happens, because it would have been a confirmation of the potential target on 0.39. So this week is telling us that there is a bearish pressure on ZND, but the bulls are still buying the dips. So the supply is getting exhausted, and the demand is getting stronger on the ZND. Right now we wait for the 0.30 to be either broken, or maybe it will cause some kind of a reversal. We don't know, we will see. But in case of a breakout, next target is TGE high 0.39 level. This scenario is valid as long as the level of 0.2323 and maybe one level placed on the extremes, let's say 0.2222, is not clearly violated, right? So only if this level is clearly violated, or the zone is clearly violated, the outlook will switch from bullish to more bearish. For now, we will continue to track our scenario, our bullish scenario, 0.30 next level, and then 0.39 is the next target for the bulls if there is a breakout higher. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.